Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve under root 16 power 16 is equals to what? 8 power 16, 8 power 8, 4 power 16 or 16 power 4. So let's solve and check which one is correct. So under root 16 power 16. So under root a nth under root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So here we can write it as 16 power 16 whole power 1 by 2 because this is square root. So now according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power n. So 16 power 16 times 1 by 2. So we can cancel out this 8 times 16 power 8. 16 we can write it as 4 square whole power 8. Again I'm going to use this identity and we can write it as 4 power 2 times 8 which is equals to 4 power 16. So our answer is option number C, that is 4 power 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.